Arkansas tags, Adam John Frank, 3-4 John. Correction, he's pulling over.
Where are you at, sir?
Madison 7505.
10-4.
Turn it off!
I'm done.
Turn the car off.
Yes, sir.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car! Fucking mind?
Yes, sir.
Walk back to me. Stupid son of a bitch. What's the point of that, huh? Because of what? Speak up.
Because
You're a young man.
dude, I don't got my license.
You ain't got your fucking license? And that's why you thought it was good to do that, huh?
Because
Shut up.
sir, please.
Take the front.
Please, sir. God, dude. Please, sir. Please.
You about to piss me off, son.
Please, sir. Please don't arrest me. Please.
Please.
Really?
You should have thought about that.
What was I supposed to do?
Stop.
What were you gonna do? You were gonna take me to jail anyway.
Was I?
Yeah, probably. To be honest, yeah.
110.
That's what you were gonna do. You were gonna take me to fucking jail.
And then you saw me and you punched the gas. And here we are. That was dumb.
Well, what was I supposed to do?
Hit the shoulder, son.
Son?
Hit the shoulder.
Really?
How hard is that?
Bub, can I get my phone? Son, come on, Dad.
You can get the next. How old are you, son?
18.
You're 18.
Yes, sir.
Fool.
Please, can I?
Fool.
Please,
Get in the car.
Sir. Please, sir.
Get in the car.
Please, sir. Please.
Hey,
please, no.
Quiet.
Yes, sir. Please.
Just know.
No.
Quiet.
Yes, sir.
You're on camera.
I know, but
This stuff goes on YouTube, so suck it the fuck up. Stop crying. Don't embarrass yourself and don't embarrass your family.
Sir, can I?
Just be quiet. Yeah, 1050, 1015. Next time, please.
I know.
The 6, I have Madison County en route.
L51 low. You can clear net. I'm 1015. I need 1011 though.
10-4.
Also put an OCA in a gap, please, for fleeing.
We're not clear.
Sir.
Quiet. Foolish. It's Arkansas tags. Adam John Frank, 3-4 John. Repeating AJF, 3-4J. It's on a green Tundra.
10-4. Yes, 10-15.
Sleep. I got it. Tools, jack. misdemeanor weed. Come on now, let's go. Kid, are you telling me you ran because you were doing 105, 106, and you have misdemeanor weed on you? That's why you fled from me?
Well, I was gonna
Do what? That was foolish, son. Gosh dang.
Well, I was gonna pull over and I didn't know what to do, sir. Sir, I've been caught doing this before. I was just trying to go to a friend and hang out for a little bit. That's it.
And instead you're catching felony fleeing.
Felony.
For a traffic ticket.
Felony?
Felony fleeing, son.
Please don't do a felony. Please. Please, sir.
You can talk.
Please.
Stop begging. You're on camera. Act like a man. Don't embarrass yourself or your family.
I'm not trying to embarrass myself.
All right.
I'm just trying to...
Quiet.
Can my friends come get my dad's truck?
Absolutely not. It's getting towed. What's your name?
Remington Davis. Remington Don Riley Davis.
Birthday.
02/03/06. Can I please call my dad?
You can to jail.
In jail?
Yep.
Cool.
L51, A plus tons around for you.
10-4, thank you, sir.
Why do you got it towed? Can a buddy not just come pick it up, please?
Why couldn't you just stop?
Because I was scared, sir. That's the thing. I don't got no license, and I had a little bit of weed on me.
Yep.
Yeah. What would you done?
Stopped.
Would you? At my age, and I had no license, everything, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. And then speeding on top of that.
Better speed ticket than felony fleeing.
It's a felony for fleeing?
Yep. Fleeing from law enforcement. 1 mile over the speed limit.